Today, I would like to present about Bliss Soap and its main product, Lavender Soap. Bliss Soap is a manufacturing company that produces high quality and affordable personal care soaps. The company focuses on helping consumers maintain good hygiene while caring for their skin. Its signature product is Lavender Soap, which is designed to provide a refreshing and relaxing bathing experience. Lavender soap is made from natural ingredients such as palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, aloe vera extract, and lavender fragrance oil. These ingredients help cleanse, moisturize, and soothe the skin. The soap is suitable for daily use and can be used by people with different skin types. In addition, the calming lavender scent provides a relaxing aromatherapy effect.
Next is a industry and product analysis. Our lavender soap is formulated with high quality ingredients. This specific formulation is designed to maintain healthy skin, keep the customers hydrated, and offer a relaxing bathing by a soothing lavender aroma. We have identified two segments of our target market. First is a woman and young adult that are highly interested in fragrance, moisturizing skincare products. The second one is healthcare and wellness consumers who actively seek out natural and organic ingredients. To better understand our target consumers, we conducted a customer analysis. The first one is a demographic analysis. So our target audience is a women and young adult, as well as the health and wellness consumers that between 18 to 45 years old. The second one is a geography analysis. We are focusing our effort on urban and suburban areas where demand for this product is a highest. The third one is a psychographic analysis that showing a strong preference for natural and environmentally products. And the last one is the behavioral habits that show the purchasing decision are heavily driven by a combination of product, quality, fragrance, ingredients, and price. Next is a costing method application. So the first one is a job order costing. Job order costing contains of a direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. For direct material, there are a few of material that used in a lavender soap. So the first one is a palm oil. We use 35 kilogram that costs Rm 1,250 cents. For coconut oil, we use 20 kilogram that costs Rm 900 ringgit. For olive oil, we use 10 kilogram that costs Rm 850 ringgit. For sodium hydroxide, we use 12.5 kilogram that costs Rm 450 ringgit. For distilled water, we use 20 liter that costs Rm 200 ringgit. For aloe vera extract, we use a 5 kilogram that costs 500 ringgit. For lavender fragrance oil, we use 2 kilogram that costs 600 ringgit. And purple coloring, we use 0.5 kilogram that costs 300 ringgit. So the total of direct material cost is Rm 5,015 cents. Next is a direct labor. For factory manager, we spend for one person is Rm 3,120 ringgit. For machine operator, the monthly cost is Rm 2,496. The quality control office, we spend for Rm 2,496. For technician or maintenance, we spend for 1,872 ringgit. For production workers, we spend for 2,496, and also for packaging workers, we spend around 2,496 ringgit. So the total of labor cost is Rm 14,976 ringgit. The last one is a manufacturing overhead. So we pay rent around Rm 4,000 ringgit. For electricity, around Rm 1,500 ringgit. For water, around Rm 3,000 ringgit. And for the insurance worker, around Rm 200 ringgit for a month. So the total overhead cost is Rm 8,700 ringgit.
Next, for activity-based costing method. In this costing system, several machines are used. This include the soap mixer machine at 18,000 ringgit, soap plotter at 35,000 ringgit, 3-roll mill at RM25,000, soap stamping machine at RM10,000, soap cutter machine at RM15,000, and flow wrap machine at RM20,000. The total machine cost is RM123,000. For machine operation, the cost pool is RM123,000. The cost driver is machine hours. The total driver quantity is 312 hours and the cost rate is RM394.23 per machine hours. For quality inspection, the cost pool is RM1,500. The cost driver is number of inspection. The total inspection are 300, giving a cost of RM5 per inspection. For packaging, the cost pool is RM1,500. The cost driver is number of unit package with a total of 1,000 bars, resulting in RM1.50 per packaging unit. For facility oriented, the cost pool is RM1,500. The cost driver is production volume, also 1,000 bars, resulting in RM1.50 per unit. Overall, the total overhead cost is RM127,500.
First is the mixing stage. In this stage, all raw materials such as oil, aloe vera extract, lavender fragrance oil, coloring sodium hydroxide, and water are placed into the soap mixer machine. The purpose of this stage is to mix all ingredients properly and form one smooth soap base. Second is the refining stage. After mixing, the soap base is moved to the 3-roll mill. This machine helps to make the soap base more smoother, improve the texture, and remove any lumps. This stage is important because it ensures the soap has a consistent and high quality texture. Third is the cutting stage. Once the soap base is refined, it is cut into the standard sizes using the soap cutter machine. This stage helps the company make sure that each soap bar has almost the same size and weight. Fourth is the stamping stage. After the cutting, the soap bar are placed into the soap stamping machine. This machine shapes the soap and stamps the company logo on it. This makes the product look more professional and easier for customers to recognize the product. Lastly, the packaging stage. After the soap is shaped and stamped, it is packed using the flow wrap machine. Packaging protects the soap and makes it ready to be sold to customers. For this part, we use the weighted average method under process costing. This method combines all production costs together and averages them across the unit produced. For Bliss Soap, there was no beginning work in process, and the company started 1,000 units during the period. Out of these, 950 units were completed, while 50 units remained in ending work in process. So the total units accounted for are still 1,000 units. Next, for the cost information, the total cost incurred during the period was 30,250. Using the weighted average method, the cost per equivalent unit is calculated as RM20. After that, the cost is divided into two parts. The cost of goods transferred out is 28,737.50, which represents the completed units. Meanwhile, the cost of goods in ending work in process is 1,512.50. So the total cost accounted for is 30,250, which means all costs have been properly allocated between completed goods and ending work in process. This method is useful for Bliss Soap because soap production is continuous and the products are mostly similar.
For this section, I will explain the cost calculation for Bliss Soap production. The total cost is based on 1,000 units of lavender soap. Firstly, for direct material cost, it includes ingredients such as palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, sodium hydroxide, distilled water, aloe vera extract, lavender fragrance oil, and purple coloring. The total direct material cost is 5,015 Next is direct labor cost, which include factory manager, machine operators, quality control staff, technician, production workers, and packaging workers. The total labor cost is RM14,976. Lastly, manufacturing overhead include rent, electricity, water, and insurance, with a lot of RM8,700, and the applied overhead is RM8,730 based on 97 cents per labor hour. Moving on to the total cost summary. The total production cost is calculated by adding direct material, direct labor, and applied overhead, which give a total of RM28,706.15. Based on 1,000 unit produced, the cost per unit is RM28.71. This calculation help management understand the full cost of producing each soap bar and support pricing and decision making. In conclusion, the costing method provides a clear breakdown of production costs and ensure better financial control.
Costing information is very important because it helps Bliss Soap make a better decision in pricing, cost control, profit planning, and production efficiency. First is pricing decision. Before Bliss Soap sets the selling price, the company must know the full production cost. This includes raw materials such as soap base, fragrance oil, coloring, packaging, and labels. It also includes direct labor and manufacturing overhead like electricity, machine usage, maintenance, and factory rental. Based on our calculation, the cost per the unit is around 28 ringgit 71 cents. So the selling price must be higher than this cost to earn profit. If the price is too low, the company may lose money. If the price is too high, customer may choose other brands. For customized orders, job order costing help Bliss Soap calculate the cost based on special customer requirements. Second is cost control. Costing information helps management identify which cost is too high. For example, if raw material cost increases, Bliss Soap can compare suppliers, buy in bulk, or reduce wastage. Activity-based costing also helps the company see which activity use more overhead costs such as mixing, cutting, inspection, and packaging. From there, the company can improve the process and reduce unnecessary expenses. Third is profit planning. After knowing the cost per unit, Bliss Soap can decide the minimum selling price and estimate how many units must be sold to reach the target profit. Products with higher profit margins can be promoted more, while low margin products can be improved or repriced. Lastly is production efficiency. Process costing helps Bliss Soap understand the cost at each production stage, such as mixing, molding, curing, cutting, inspection, and packaging. If one stage has high cost or slow output, management can identify the problem and take action. In conclusion, costing information helps Bliss Soap set a better price, control costs, plan profits, and improve production efficiency. This supports better decision making and help the company stay competitive.
For this section, I will present the future business planning of Bliss Soap. Future planning focus on three main areas, which are cost reduction, market expansion, and operational improvement to ensure long-term sustainability of the business. Firstly, for cost reduction strategies, Bliss Soap aims to reduce material wastage during production and improve supplier negotiation to get better raw material prices. The company also needs to control labor costs, which is 14,976 ringgit, and manufacturing overhead, which is 8,700 ringgit. In addition, improving machine efficiency will help reduce unnecessary production costs. Secondly, for market expansion, Bliss Soap target customers such as women, young adult, and health-conscious consumers. The company plans to expand through online platforms like Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. It also introduced new product variations such as different soap, scent, gift set, and travel pack. In addition, Bliss Soap can explore B2B market like hotel, retail, store, and pharmacies. Lastly, for operational improvement, the company focused on improving production, scheduling, and increasing machine utilization, especially since machine cost is 123,000 ringgit. Quality control must be strengthened at every stage of production to reduce defect. The company also aims to reduce work in progress units, which currently stand at 50 units, to improve overall efficiency. In conclusion, these strategies help Bliss Soap improve cost efficiency, expand market reach, and enhance operational performance.
Next, I will explain the comparison of the three costing method used by Bliss Soap. Job order costing records a unit cost of RM28.71 and is suitable for a specific order. ABC record the highest unit of the cost of RM127.50 because costs are allocated based on detailed activities. Meanwhile, process costing records the lower unit cost of RM23.76 because costs are spread evenly across all units produced. Overall, ABC give the highest cost, while process costing give the lowest cost.
Next is evaluation of the costing method. Job order costing is useful for a customized order but it less suitable for a mass production. ABC provides detailed cost information and improved cost control, but it is complex and time consuming. Process costing is simple, practical and suitable for continuous production, although it provides a less detailed cost information. Next is most suitable costing method and justification. Based on Bliss Soap production process costing is the most suitable method. This is because soap is produced continuously and all units are similar in quantity. Process costing is accurate enough for mass production, easy to apply and helps management to determine the unit cost of RM23.76 and monitor production efficiency. Therefore, process costing is the best costing method for a Bliss Soap.